Mike? Michael? It's Stan. Stan Podolak. Look, I need you to come out now, okay? Because you got a baseball game tomorrow. You know, I look pretty stupid if you don't show up.
You think Michael's all right? Boy, I hate to leave him like this.
Oh, I'm sure he's fine. I think he just had to get away from that Stan character.
God, he's pathetic, isn't he?
Yeah. Larry, I'm going to give us both twos back there. We weren't in any kind of emotional state to putt.
I think that's fair.
Yeah. Now, if Mike is gone, the NBA is going to need some new people. There's room at the top. An exciting kind of guy who could maybe even perform at halftime. Now, are you still tight with David Stern? I mean, a phone call from you.
Look, I want to help, but I haven't played basketball in a long time. My timing's all off.
We'll fix your timing. Look at our facilities. We've got hoops. We got weights.
We've got balls. Whoa!
Yo, dude, this place is a mess.
Mess? You're worried about a little mess? There's nothing here a little spit shine wouldn't fix. Spit shine! Spit
Lemony fresh.
You guys are nuts.
Correction. We're the mutants.
And as such are the exclusive property and trademark of Warner Brothers, Inc.
I'm here.
Me too. That hurt.
Who are these guys?
Well, remember the tiny aliens I told you about?
Oh.
You heard of the Dream Team? Well, we're the Mean Team, Wussy Man.
Wussy Man. Wussy Man?
We're the Monstars. M-O-N...
Let's see what you got, chump.
I don't play basketball anymore.
I don't play basketball anymore.
Maybe you're chicken. I say I resemble that remark.
You calling me chicken?
Hey, come here.
Can you believe it?
Get out of the way!
Hey, everybody, look at your hero now.
You guys making a big mistake.
You're all washed up, Baldy.
Baldy?
He is not washed up. Michael's the greatest ever.
Shut up.
No! My poor Will Cranium.
You okay?
Yeah, are you okay? Whoops.
You're not scared of them, are you, Michael?
Let's play some basketball.
Yeah!